The Nike Air Max Plus Black Pencil Point Team Crimson is a sleek and striking update to the classic Air Max Plus silhouette. Featuring a jet black frame with deep shadows, wavy molded lines cover the upper, giving it a layered, 3D effect. The mesh blends gray and purple shades, shimmering subtly under light, while the glossy black plastic cage highlights the shoe structure. The standout Team Crimson swoosh adds a vibrant pop to the dark design. Underfoot, the signature tuned Air midsole delivers energy and movement, complemented by translucent blue AirPods and contrasting yellow accents on the outsole. The TN Air emblem on the heel nods to the series' heritage. Modernized yet faithful to the original 1998 release, this model balances subtle red accents with deep blacks, creating a refined, technical aesthetic. Perfect for sneaker enthusiasts, its layered materials, rhythmic lines, and structural depth give it a quiet but undeniable presence on the feet, showcasing both style and innovation.